Okay, just a short one. 32.9 degrees outside. 31 degrees, 29 degrees. All right. All right. And a couple of years ago, I installed this modine heater. Probably the best thing I ever did. It allows me, the cars are toasty warm. It allows me to have a grow light and a couple of plants I keep in here over the winter. We're in New York. And this thing's going up. I have it set for usually around 68, 67, 68. And right on the other side of this wall is my like a little mud room and kitchen. And it keeps the whole, I mean, this used to be, there used to be a draft coming under the door. It was freezing by the door. And now we can basically keep this open. It's nice and warm in here. So I mean, highly, here we go. It's equalizing out. So it's 68 degrees in here. Cars are nice and warm. It really, I put these things up on the wall, up on the door. I sealed the doors with a little bit of foam, just to make sure nothing. You know, I block out any major drafts. So I kind of went around the whole thing. I sealed the bottom as best as I can. I bought some new sealers. So here, again, 68 degrees in the garage here, and it's about 29 or 30 degrees outside. Extremely easy to install this. You know, relatively speaking, I had to make another zone for my heater. But I posted a video on when I installed this. But it's still going strong. It's been great. Best thing I ever did. I highly recommend it. All right, that's it. Have a good one.